Hi, I'm Luke from Jackson Woodturners, and today we're going to look at the new feet we have for the black metal spindles in front of me. As you can see, we do two types, one for a round spindle and another one for a square one. They come in these handy boxes of a pair, and they also include the screws. Also, the unique thing about these fixings are that they also have a grub screw to hold it in place, and they just simply need tightening up with the grub screw. Let me show you how they go together. So as you can see here, they just slot straight in and tighten up with the grub screw, and this holds it in place. They're flexible in the sense that they can go onto any angle on your staircase and straight up on the landing. They also work the same, again, for the round spindle, and simply just tighten them together with the grub screw. Also, as you can see here and on the back side, there's two screw holes where the screws go into place, and they're also countersunk. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any questions, please contact us, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.